Picture this. It's 11 p.m. You're finally winding down after a long day and then you hear it. Drip, drip. You've ignored that leaky tap for weeks, but tonight, it's louder than ever. It's driving you crazy. Now imagine waking up the next morning only to find a puddle spreading across your kitchen floor. Stressful, right? That's when you need a plumber who shows up fast, fixes the issue, and doesn't leave a mess behind. Here's the deal. We've been solving plumbing nightmares in Roodepoort, Johannesburg for years. Whether it's a small leak, a burst pipe, or your entire bathroom flooding, we've got you covered. Our team is on call 24/7, so no matter what time your plumbing decides to give you trouble, we'll be there in a flash. And we don't just do emergency fixes. Need your plumbing upgraded, installing new pipes or remodeling a bathroom? We handle all of that. Too, residential or commercial, it doesn't matter. But here's the real kicker. We do it all without breaking the bank. No overpriced fixes, no hidden fees, just honest, top quality work. So if you want peace of mind and a plumbing job done right the first time, pick up the phone and give us a call today. We'll make that dripping faucet and all your plumbing worries disappear.